Hi my lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a brand new video. Hope you're all doing well and having a great day. If you're new here, my name's Amanda and today guys I have a B&M haul for you. So I've been into B&M because I'm in the process of decluttering a cupboard in my room, in my bedroom here, just behind the door there. You can't see it, but I'm in the process of decluttering that cupboard and organising all my skincare products. So I needed to get some storage, and I've seen some really lovely storage that I've had my eye on in B&M, and I managed to get my hand on them when I went in this time round. I've also got some bits from Lidl to show you, very similar fridge storage this time round because I've seen these advertised on the Lidl catalogue, and I was so happy that when I popped into Lidl they still had some in stock, because the middle aisle in Lidl, anytime I see something in the catalogue and I go in to get it, they're always out of stock. So I was really happy to pick these items up, and they're really lovely, really sturdy storage solutions for the kitchen and also from the fridge. And I've just picked up a few cleaning bits as well. I've actually got some items from Home Bargains as well to show you that I picked up in there. Some cleaning products for the spring. Not that I'm really into like different cleaning products for springtime. I just normally use what I have, you know. But there is one or two items that I picked up in Home Bargains to show you today as well. So guys, if you are new to the channel, I really love for you to stick around and click the subscribe button. I'd love to have you on board and love to have you as part of my YouTube family. I'm on my way to 5,000 subscribers, guys, and I know with your help I can get there even quicker, and you know, I just love to have you on board for that, and I'll be absolutely over the moon to hit my 5,000 target. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into today's video. So the first item I'm going to show you, or the first items I'm going to show you, like I said, I'm in the process of decluttering my cupboard in my bedroom, and I needed to get some of these. Now I've actually got two of these in the cupboard already, but these are absolutely brilliant for storing your skincare products in. I mean, these can be used anywhere around the home, especially in the fridge or in your kitchen. You know, these are very good for storing, like if you're storing like packets of seasoning or packets of rice, you know, that kind of thing, dried food. So I've got this to use in my cupboard, and I'm going to use it for my skincare products. So I'm separating all of my like foot mask and face masks and putting them into here so I can see what I have and what I need to actually top up. So I picked up two of these. I think one actually I'm going to use in the kitchen, and this one is going to go into my cupboard. And these are £2.50 each in B&M. Okay, so just put those to one side. So I also picked up this one in B&M. Now this is absolutely gorgeous. Of course, it's got the rib detail on it, which you guys know that I absolutely love. This one comes in at £4. The size of it is 23 by 16 by 15 centimeters, if that's useful to anyone. But yeah, I've actually got this one to put into my fridge, because I just find that this makes lovely fridge storage. You know, I can put all my apples or the fruits into one of these and just pop it into the fridge. And the good thing about these, they've got handles so you can just pull them out as well. And also they're very sturdy, very good quality. And yeah, I can't wait to actually organize everything, get my fridge organized, and you know, it's going to be a complete game changer, you know, because summer is coming and I really don't like to leave my fruits outside in a fruit bowl as such as I would do in the winter time, because the fruit flies, we live quite close to the park, so the fruit flies are even starting to come in now, you know. So I'm looking to just like really keep anything that I can, any kind of fruit in the fridge. And obviously bananas would have to stay outside, so I don't think you can actually put bananas in the fridge. I think so. Yep, so I've got that to store my fruits in for the fridge. Okay, so stepping away from the storage for now, I'm going to show you some bits that I picked up in the B&M garden section. So I'm in need of some new garden gloves. I picked these ones up. I mean, they had so many different types of gloves there, garden gloves. I just picked these ones up. These are by Mason & Jones, and they came in at £1.50. They are easy grip garden gloves, hard wearing, durable, comfort fit, elastic cuffs. Okay, so got elasticated cuffs there as well. And yeah, I just thought I'd pick these up now because we are going to be clearing our garden, getting our garden ready for the summer. We haven't really done anything with the garden, obviously, because the weather hasn't been that great. We've got like wood left over from when we've done our decking. last year, so all that needs to be cleared away, and we're going to make the garden all nice and tidy and like start planting some lovely flowers and some herbs and so on, you know. So yeah, so I've got these. They're one size and they're £1.50 in B&M. So next up from B&M, I picked up these lights, these garden lights. This is part of the Urban Eden range, which I just absolutely love, that complete range that B&M have introduced this year. So these are solar powered rattan effect string lights with warm white LEDs. So I thought this would be absolutely perfect to put on our, to put alongside our decking. We're gonna like make a, like we're gonna do a DIY pergola and just have the lights strung along, you know. So yeah, I can't wait for that actually. I can't wait for the weather to get a bit nicer so we can actually do that. We're planning on maybe going out in the garden for Easter Sunday and the bank holiday, depending weather permitting, you know. But either way, we're definitely going to be using these in the garden for the summer. It says on the box, no wiring required, which is absolutely great. And also, this is 3.8 meters, so it's quite a good size. We've only got a really small decking area, so it'd be perfect for that. And yeah, this came in at £20, which I think is really good for 20 lights. And as you can see, guys, they are black rattan lights, so absolutely gorgeous. This whole range from B&M. If you haven't seen it, guys, I did actually put out a come shop with me video, and I did feature quite a lot of the Eden range from B&M. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so that's those. Okay, so next up from B&M, I also picked up this large packet of Ariel all-in-one pods. Now, I absolutely love this product by Ariel. I only really use this product by Ariel for the laundry. So this packet came in, I think it was £11.49, and you get 61 washes. Okay, so it's your all-in-one pods, and it's very good in cool water as well. So yeah, I got that as well. So having said that I only use the Ariel pods, I'm going to go back on my word there, because I saw these in B&M. Now this is Dr. Beckman's Magic Leaves. Look, there's 25 sheets in the pack. I haven't actually opened this yet, but there's 25 sheets in there. It's in the Fresh Blossom fragrance, and it also works very well just at 20 degrees. So I thought that'd be really good just to give that a try. You know, of course, I mean, this is 25 washes, and you can see how slim the packet is. So it's all about space saving and also helping the environment. And they're also biodegradable as well, which is very, very good. So yeah, suitable for short cycles. So I don't think it's suitable for a whole big laundry wash, but I'll give them a try. You know, I'm willing to give them a try. And these came in, I think these were like £3.59 at B&M. If any of you guys have used this, do let me know in the comments how you got on with it, because I just find this really interesting, to be fair with you. You know, I'm going in to buy this whole big packet. I know you get 61 washes in there, but it does take up a lot of space, whereas this is just going to be a complete game changer if it does the job as well as it says on the tin, you know. So yep, so I'm willing to give that a try. Okay, so next up, I'm just going to jump now and show you the bits that I picked up from Lidl. Now these bits are absolutely gorgeous. Can I even call them gorgeous? You know me and my explanations. Right, these bits are absolutely brilliant, you know, for the fridge, for cupboard storage, but mainly for the fridge. And my fridge really needs a good organizing, you know. So Lidl had these whole range of kitchen cupboard organizer or fridge organizers. So the range is the Ernesto, I think I'm saying that right. So I picked up this fridge organizer. It's got 3 different compartments in it, so you can separate your fruits. You know, you can have grapes, red grapes, white grapes, and then maybe some strawberries. And this came in at £3.99. So I know you can pick up something similar of this in B&M, but sometimes they don't always have them. And I was in Lidl, so I thought, yeah, why not pick these ones up? They seem a little bit more, maybe the same kind of quality as the B&M ones. This came in at £3.99 as well, so similar price point. So this one was £4 from B&M, and that's £3.99. Okay, so the same kind of concept. You can put your fruits in there. You can put these in your cupboard, your pantry, to store some of your dry food in, or, you know, store whatever you like in these. I just thought they were really good quality, and yeah, I needed to get them for my fridge, so I got that as well. I also picked up this one. Now this one's a little bit more shallower, and it's got like a little dip in it. So this one is going to be perfect for the fridge as well, you know, to put like yogurts, separate yogurts in there, you know, Oakley's juice I can put in there as well. And this one was also $3.99 in Lidl. Okay, so the next item that I picked up in Lidl was this fridge organizer. I like to keep my eggs in the fridge. I do like a cool egg. You know, like when you're making egg or scrambled egg or whatever you're doing with the egg, I like to have a cool egg and I like to keep them in the fridge. So I picked up this egg storage container. Now I've actually had one of these before. That was for our old fridge. Our fridge that we're using now is slightly shallower inside. It looks like a big fridge from the front, but the back doesn't go far back as our other fridge, if you get what I mean. So a lot of these fridge storage that I see when I'm out and about shopping, they don't actually fit my fridge, but these ones do fit perfectly. So yeah, I'm happy to have this, and this holds up to 10 eggs. Okay, so yeah, so I've got that as well, and this was £3.49 in Lidl. Okay, so next up I'm going to show you some of the items that I picked up in Home Bargains, and the first one that I picked up was this lavender plant. Now you guys know that I absolutely love lavender. This came in at £2.99 for this big bunch of lavender. Now I wish I picked up 2 of them. I don't know why I didn't pick up 2, because I really want to put 2 either side of our front door, you know, or maybe have one in the garden, in the back garden. But yeah, £2.99 for this beautiful lavender. Now it didn't actually come in this pot. It just came in like that in this purple pot, but I just put it in this plant pot just to stop it from dripping all over the place before we plant it in the garden. So yes, I got that, and that was £2.99 in Home Bargains. Okay, so the next items that I picked up in Home Bargains are mainly cleaning products or self-care products. Now I picked this up. Now this is a big bottle of exfoliating body wash. This is by Ashton and Moore, and it's a honey and ginger exfoliating body scrub. I've got so many bubble baths and shower gels and so on, but I don't really have a exfoliating body scrub. So when I saw this one, I thought, yes, I'm getting that. And I think this was only like something like £1.99, you know. Oh my goodness, it smells absolutely gorgeous. Yes, so I've got this, yeah, just for a bit of self-care. Thought I'd give that a try. Okay, so that's from Home Bargains. So next up from Home Bargains, I picked this up, this orange and neroli Febreze air mist. Now I'm absolutely a fan for Febreze air mist and so on. I love their products. I also love the fragrance neroli, you know, so orange and neroli together, this smells absolutely gorgeous. I'm not going to spray it because it might just go into my camera lens, but trust me guys, it smells absolutely gorgeous, and this is a limited edition as well. Okay, next up from Home Bargains, I found this designer fragrances in there. Now I think these must be quite new, because I've never seen these in Home Bargains. Now this is in the fragrance, they've called it Good Lady, but it's like a dupe of the Good Girl fragrance, but in an air freshener. Now guys, these designer air fresheners, they blast. It says blast can air freshener actually. So they blast. I mean, it's like a fire extinguisher. I know I said I wasn't going to spray the neroli one, but this one is kind of like a dry spray. So wait for it guys. Did you see that? It's like a real blast, and oh my goodness, it smells absolutely gorgeous. So this can be used sorry, it smells absolutely gorgeous. It's gone down my throat. This can be used all over the house. It can be used in the car. It can be used like in the garage, in your shoes. You can use it all over. It says you can even use it on clothing. So that might be interesting actually. So multi-purpose use of an air freshener. Now you just need a little squirt, and trust me guys, it's fragranced my whole bedroom. This was £1.99. This is also £1.99 guys. But I think this is going to go a long way, because you only need to spray like one of those blasts and that's it, you know. Brilliant. So I also picked up this Febreze. This is the new one by Mrs. Hinch. It's in the fragrance Pink Tulips and White Jasmine. I'm not a big fan of jasmine, but this smells absolutely gorgeous guys as well. So I've got this. Oh, oh my goodness. So this smells absolutely gorgeous as well. I love spraying this on my bed, my headboard just behind me here. Also on the curtains, on the bedding, on the cushions, you know, all that kind of thing. and also on my clothes, you know. So yeah, that came in at £1.99 as well. So guys, that's the last item from today's haul. I really hope you enjoyed it. Do give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new. I'd love to have you on board. Love to have you as part of my YouTube family. And if you are returning, thank you so much for tuning in to watch today's video. I really appreciate every single one of you. Take care, keep well, have a lovely Easter, and I'll see you very soon on the next video. Thanks for watching.